Now I have to tell you about also the origin of Vishnu Maya, which is very interesting. Vishnu Maya was the sister of Sri Krishna, who was born after Sri Krishna was born. Actually, she was not his own sister, but she was the daughter of Nanda. And when Sri Krishna was taken over and was put in the care of Nand and Yashoda, they gave their own daughter in his place. And the father of Sri Krishna brought it back. So, when Kansa came, the uncle, you all know about the story, to ask about the 8th child, they said, this is the child. He said, but this is not a man, this is a woman. He took the child in his hand and did like this and threw it in the sky. And there she went, and there she announced that Sri Krishna is already incarnated, he is living, and he is your killer. So she is the announcer. She is the announcer of the incarnations. She is the announcer of something good that is going to happen. Also she is the one who can burn things which are not spiritually all right. At the time of Mahabharata, she was born as Draupadi. And this Draupadi was the sister of Sri Rama. And when, as you know in Mahabharata, all of you know the story of Mahabharata, I need not tell that, Duryodhana tried to take out her clothes. Then she called for Krishna. First she said, Krishna, she had put her teeth like this. Till she said Krishna, it was there. Because she was thinking if she says Krishna, the thing will fall down and she will become exposed. As soon as she said Krishna, the thing fell down. And that's the time Sri Krishna came all the way from Dwarika. And Tulsidas ji has described it very well in Hindi language. Dwarika me shora bhayo. In Dwarika, there was a big noise, you can call it, or what, I don't know. Shora bhayo bhari. Tremendous, what you call, the thunder, you can call it. Because she was the one who is responsible for thunder. Shora bhayo bhari, shankha, chakra, gada, padma, garuda lai sidhari. With the shankha, with chakra, with garuda, with padma. All of them, he came on the garuda. With all his weapons, he came on a garuda to help her. He started supplying the saris to her, and this Duryodhana got absolutely, Dushasana did that, got absolutely tired and he fell on the ground. So now here Vishnu Maya is the one who is the virgin. Not only that she is a virgin, but she exists in all the 5 elements. As shown that she married 5 Pandavas. And that this power of virginity in her used to expose people to the dangers of these horrible Kauravas who were going to rule and destroy the dharma. So she stood back. And she is the one who said that you have to fight. You have to fight for dharma, whatever may happen. And Krishna always supported her. So as a brother, Sri Krishna supported her. So the relationship between brother and sister are very important in India. Also should be with Sajogis. because we have Rakhi Bandhan. We also have what you call the Bhaiya Dooj, where on Diwali day we tie up a Rakhi to the brother. Now this Rakhi is nothing but the Vishnu Maya's power, which protects the brother. Actually there the brother protected her, and now the sister's love protects the brother. So the relationship between brother and sister is much more important than any other relationship, because it's so pure, it's so protective, it's so loving, and also it is of an equal age.